Hello, today I am going to explain practical number 6 of data structure using C. The name of the practical is write a C program to sort an array of numbers using bubble sort method. For this, we include the header files, that is hash include stdio.h. Next header file is hash include conio.h. In next line we start the main function, that is void main. In that main function we declare the variables. First of all, we declare the array by using int array of 50. 50 is the maximum size, comma n for the size of the array, I, comma j for the for loops, and temp for the sorting. In next line we using the clear screen. In next line we using one printf and scanf statement for taking the size from the user. In that printf statement, enter the number of elements, colon, in scanf statement we write %d, comma, and n. In next line we using one more printf statement for getting the elements. In that printf statement, enter the %d elements, colon /n for the spacing purpose, comma n. In next line we use one for loop. In that for loop, first of all we initialize I variable to 0, I equal to 0, semicolon, the condition is I less than n, semicolon, I plus plus. In that for loop, the given condition is true, then it enters into the for loop and scanf %d, comma, call the array, that is and array of I, semicolon. In next we take another for loop for the sorting purpose. In that for loop we initialize the I equal to 0, semicolon, I less than n minus 1, semicolon, I plus plus. In that we take another for loop. In that for loop we take another variable, that is j is initialized as the 0, comma, j less than n minus 1 minus I, means two adjacent element is comparing, semicolon, j plus plus. In that we take one if condition. In that if condition, array of j is greater than array of j plus 1, means the first element is greater than second element. Then we swap the two elements. For the swapping we using the temp variable. In that temp equal to array of j, means the value of array of j is stored initially at the temp. Then array of j equal to array of j plus 1, that is the value of array of j plus 1 is assigned to the array of j, and array of j plus 1 equal to temp. This is the swapping technique. And in next line we take one printf statement for displaying the array after the sorting. In that printf statement, /n array after bubble sort, colon slash n bracket complete. In that we take one for loop. In that for loop I is initialized as the 0, I less than n and I plus plus. In that this condition is true, then it enters into the for loop and print the statement by using printf %d comma array of I bracket complete semicolon, and in next line we using the get ch for hold the output. In next we compile the program, and successfully compiling the program, then we run the program. In that enter the number of elements, we take the 5 elements, enter the 5 elements. First one is the 15, second one is 3, third one is 15, fourth one is 17 and fifth one is 4. Hence array after bubble sort 3, 4, 15, 17 and 50. It is solved.